She's Daddy's little daughter and keen to keep her reputation as Genius of the Year. The effervescent Alia Bhatt is keen to keep up with the Kardashians just to indulge in a little Bhatt banter.
Now, I've always thought that people with dazzling professional and personal lives don't get much time to watch TV, but it's very warming to my heart to know that Alia as well is a couch potato just like the rest of us. It is very comforting to know that, Alia.
Yeah, whenever I do have the time, I'm quite the couch potato, yes.
And obviously, this has been a really great association, and orange is the new black, quite literally, with your style statement as well. And TV is so, it's maybe the small screen, but it's become so big, really. Not just in India, but of course, even internationally. In fact, everyone says that the best writing is on TV. Exactly. So would Alia want to do like an international TV show? Because there's so much of inspiring content out there. We've seen someone like Priyanka do it as well. Would there be any interest in that?
Yeah, definitely. And kudos to her. Yeah. I really feel, honestly, as you just said, their television is just like outstanding. The screenplay is so gripping, so like, it's always at the edge of the seat. And more than anything, it's just always been a part of our culture anyway, like when you were younger with Friends and, like One Tree Hill and all of that. But now it's just gone ballistic, with every kind of genre, every possible thought that and it just keeps coming, it just keeps flowing. And for me to be a part of this kind of association with international television in any way is a big deal. So even this association for me is beautiful. Of course, being a part of a television show, of course, is a different ballgame altogether. But let's see when that happens.
Yeah, that would be very interesting. And in fact, I think some time ago there were some reports that you would love to do something like a Keeping Up with the Kardashians because you've got the most interesting family in Bollywood. I was like, that is an excellent idea. Is that something you were just saying off the top of your head? Or
I was, but I mean it in a way. I mean it. Like
off the top of her head, but she means it.
Because whenever we're at home and we're like, because of this mad family just sitting together, I'm like, listen guys, we should have a reality like show on us. Imagine the amount of love and like admiration we're going to get, or even hate for that matter, because we're so crazy and it's like Keeping Up with the Bhatts. We're a big family.
We'll have to come up with a different name for that though.
Why?
There's already a Keeping Up with. I'm sure your father definitely can come up with something better. Or come up with something on the spot.
Bhatt banter.
Ooh, nice. We like that. You heard that here first. I think that's a very, very interesting name. And honestly, I think it's an excellent idea. I think, whoever the powers that be should be listening into this.
So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Keep your ears open, everybody. Yeah.